In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Canon EOS digital camera to your compatible iOS device. With built-in Wi-Fi technology, you can easily share photos from your camera to your iOS device. We recommend using Camera Access Point mode, which allows you to connect your camera directly to your mobile device without the need for a wireless router. Let's get started. First, let's download the Canon Camera Connect app on your iOS device. Find and tap the App Store icon. Then, tap the search icon. In the search box, type Canon Camera Connect. Then, tap Search. In the search results, tap Get. Then, follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation. Now, let's connect your camera. Please make sure the camera's date and time are correctly set up and a memory card is inserted in the camera before proceeding. Please note, the EOS SL3 has a touchscreen function. However, for this video, we'll be using the Set button and the directional buttons to make selections. Make sure the camera is powered on. Then, press the Menu button. Go to the purple Wireless Settings menu, then select OK. Make sure Wi-Fi settings is set to Enable. Then, select Wi-Fi Bluetooth connection. In the Wi-Fi function menu, select Connect to Smartphone. Then, select Add a device to connect to. Since we already downloaded the app earlier, select Do Not Display. In the Connect to Smartphone menu, select Connect via Wi-Fi. The camera's SSID and password will be displayed. On your iOS device, go to your Wi-Fi settings. Find and select the network name, or SSID, displayed on the camera. Then, enter the password, which is also displayed on the camera, and tap Join. Once the device is connected, open the Canon Camera Connect app. When you open the Canon Camera Connect app for the first time, a window will open asking permission to send you notifications. Tap either Don't Allow or Allow to proceed to the next step. Camera Connect will also ask permission to access photos on your device. Tap OK to allow access. Another screen will open asking permission to use Bluetooth. Tap Don't Allow. If you click OK, you may have trouble completing the setup. If this is your first time installing the app, the following screen will appear. Read the agreements, and if you agree to the terms, tap Agree to continue. On the Camera Connect welcome screen, tap Skip. The Camera Connect welcome screen will only appear once the first time you open the app. Tap Start. A screen may appear asking you permission to grant Camera Connect access to your location. If you don't want to see this message again, tap the box next to Do Not Display Again. Select an option to proceed to the next step. When this screen appears, select your camera. When you see this screen on the camera, press the Set button to select OK. You can now send images from your camera to your iOS device. Using the Canon Camera Connect app on your iOS device, tap Images on Camera. Tap the gear on the upper right to access the camera image list settings. Review the options. When you're done making your selections, tap the X icon on the upper right. Tap Select. Then, choose the images that you'd like to transfer. Once your images are selected, tap this icon. A resize option screen will be displayed if you left the option Select when saving selected in the camera image list settings. Choose an option, and then tap OK. Your photos will now be transferred and saved to your iOS device. After the images have been saved, tap the X icon in the upper right of the screen. Then, tap the left arrow icon in the upper left to return to the menu screen. To end the connection, tap the X icon in the upper right of the screen. Then, tap Yes. If you need to reconnect your camera to your mobile device, there's no need to complete pairing again if you'll continue using the camera and the mobile device together. Again, go to the purple wireless settings menu and select Wi-Fi Bluetooth connection. Select the name of the mobile device that you'd like to connect to. Your iOS device will pair automatically with the camera. Launch the Camera Connect app and the camera will connect automatically with the app. If the camera did not automatically connect, follow these steps. On your iOS device, go to your Wi-Fi settings. Select and connect to the network name, or SSID, that you previously used with the camera. Open the Canon Camera Connect app. Your camera will appear at the top of the home screen. You can now send images from your camera to your iOS device. If you lose Wi-Fi connection because of an updated operating system or an app update, performing a wireless settings reset may resolve the problem. Press the menu button and go to the purple wireless settings menu. Select Clear Wireless Settings. Then select OK. Wireless communication will reset back to the default settings. Please follow the video again from the beginning to reconnect your mobile device. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your Canon EOS Digital SLR to your iOS device. You can now share photos from your camera to your iOS device. For help with connecting your camera to a Mac, Windows computer, or Android device, please visit our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.